Premium Smooth Ride Suspension Package, 4D Crew Cab, 4WD, 1-Owner Clean Carfax, Power Tilt Sliding Sunroof with Express Open, and Ultrasonic Rear Parking Assist. Are you interested in a truly wonderful truck? Then take a look at this robust, reliable 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. When you see this incredibly clean Avalanche 1500, you will know it was pampered from day one. All of Moses Downtown's pre-owned vehicles have been through a 117-point inspection at our award-winning service department. If you have a question, comment, or would like to schedule a test drive, please call us today at 304-343-5534. And be sure to check us out at www.mosesdowntown.com for our most up-to-date inventory and sales and service specials.